आगे मैं
रमानी साहब ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा और मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी। मैं बिहार राज्य के मंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का सदापूर्वक और से निर्वहन करूंगा। मैं भय या अनुराग या देश के संविधान के लोगों संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगी।
मैं
रमानी साहब ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ कि जो भी बिहार राज्य के मंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को सबके सिवाय ऐसे मंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना
प्रकट नहीं करूंगा।
पहले से करके रखिए
Republic. And these are live pictures coming in of the ministers taking oath in Bihar, a record mandate for Nitish Kumar. And as we speak, all the different ministers in his cabinet taking oath one by one. This is live coverage. And the Prime Minister on stage congratulating each minister who's coming up and taking oath as we speak. Nitish Kumar
यूपीएससी का कड़वा सच ये है कि
was chosen to be the chief minister you'll face, and Nitish Kumar ending all doubts, and he's taken oath this morning along with Samrat Chaudhary, Vijay Kumar Sinha, elected as leader and deputy leader of the BJP legislature party, in effect making them the deputy chief ministers in Bihar. And on stage, all the different ministers who are taking oaths. We'll take a short break now, and we'll come back with a live coverage.
MDH की हल्दी मिर्ची धनिया करे कमाल, ये रंग दे, ये खुशबू दे, ये तीखा, ये कम पड़े, क्या निराला MDH मसाला।
This is Republic Jack Oliver's studio. Stay tuned for all the breaking news and updates. I am Tanisha Awasthi. Let's get started.
थोड़े में ज्यादा स्वाद के हित।
मोदी ने जिस तरीके से चुनाव प्रचार किया था, तो मुझे लगता है कि कई कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स ऐसे हैं, विजय कुमार सिन्हा बेहतर करेंगे, नितिन नवीन वहाँ पर है, सम्राट चौधरी भी बेहतर परफॉर्म करेंगे और काम किया था इसलिए वापस उन्हें डेप्यूटी बनाया गया है। तो मुझे लग रहा है कि अब श्रेयसी सिंह भी है इसमें, रामकृपाल यादव जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर रहे, तो बीजेपी अपने मंत्रियों से बहुत बेहतर काम कराएगी और यह बात भी ध्यान रखेगी कि जनता दल यूनाइटेड के जो मंत्री हैं उनके साथ भी बेहतर काम हो और किसी तरह के करप्शन का आरोप ना लगे। और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का जो कहना है कि 2047 में विकसित भारत देखना है, तो बिहार में उस हिसाब से काम हो कि अगले 5 साल बाद जब इलेक्शन हो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने दम पर फुल मेजोरिटी की सरकार बनाने की स्टेज में आ सके। तो मुझे लग रहा है कि इस बार सेंट्रल बहुत ध्यान रखेंगे कि कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर परफॉर्म कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है। जैसे गुजरात में किया था कि दिवाली के एक दिन पहले कैबिनेट पूरी बदल दी थी, तो अगर काम नहीं करेंगे तो कभी भी कैबिनेट बीजेपी बदल सकते।
अभी आपने जिस क्रिएटर की वीडियो पे
and he is taking oath, that is one of the faces. Sanjay Kumar Singh has won from Mahua, another important seat, because Mahua is a Yadav dominated seat. It is a seat from where Tej Pratap Yadav was fighting. Another leader who was very close to Tejaswi Yadav was fielded there by the RJD, and beating both of them, Sanjay Singh, a Rajput face, has been, was fielded by the NDA, and he has won. He is now also being sworn in. A good mix of faces over there, but taking forward the point that Sameer ji just raised, Vasudha, is there a strategy in place to ensure that the BJP in 5 years from now could have a chief minister of their own? This was being rumored even now that the BJP may just displace Nitish Kumar. That's clearly not happening. But is that the plan 5 years from now?
Well, Padmaja, here the mahal is getting, really hot, because while the campaign is, while the oath-taking ceremony is happening inside, people are all waiting for this, for entry, and of course there is the security that's been beefed up. And if you look at the visuals here, this is a combination of both BJP and JDU having almost equal parts when it comes to ministerial portfolios, and this is something we have discussed even when it came to the cabinet, when it came to the candidate selection and seat sharing. The BJP was very clear that it will be 101 and 101. This is something that it was pushing for. It also shows that the BJP is steadily pushing for its dominance in the state of Bihar. And if you look at the optics in the whole state of in Patna today, it's all a lot of saffron with a little bit of green. So while Nitish Kumar remains central and his experienced ministers remain central to the cabinet, it is actually, it looks like a BJP show to me today.
Shubhrasta now. Could that be the plan 5 years from now?
It may be. See, I don't think one can predict what's going to happen in politics. But what is really interesting about this entire ministry is exactly the range of demographies that this ministry represents. Also, I agree with Sanjeev ji that I think there would be a perceptible change in the way in which Bihar government has performed so far. BJP-led NDA has always been known to focus on infrastructure development. I hope that things move beyond infrastructure this time, because clearly Bihar has seen a lot of infrastructural growth. What is needed at this point in time is to structure that growth in such a way that things look and feel as developed as well. And I hope that this government is able to push in some degree of urgency into that kind of restructuring. Padmaja, I would definitely want to point out one thing. I've been itching to say this for a really long time. This government, this NDA government, is a classic example of how you handle your alliances. The way in which Chirag Paswan behaves with JP Nadda ji, or with Narendra Modi ji, or Amit Shah ji, the way in which these leaders deal with their alliances, it's a classic master case in which you don't snub anyone and welcome, and yet draw a line where it needs to be drawn. And nobody breaches that. It looks like a very structured and very disciplined alliance where nobody talks back at anybody, nobody's taking jibes at anybody. And it's not like they're all a part of that one family. They're all political organizations with their own ambitions and their own constituencies to cater to.
Shubhrasta, I'm sorry to interrupt you again, but let's take Shubhrasta on air with that shot. Modi ji did do the gamcha move. There he is with his monochromatic gamcha doing that helicopter shot. Please carry on.
I take my words back. I eat my humble pie. He has done that gamcha move. And it's
please continue.